Today, we live in a world where mega businesses and minorities of people control the majority of the wealth. We live in a world where people strive to come up with the tallest buildings or the biggest cars, yet at the same time, there is this. Human treatment should always be prioritized over economic development. However, this ethnic moral is often ignored. At the turn of the century in the United States, people lived in the streets in even more indigent conditions. This is a problem that we ignored in the present and have ignored in the past. The Kibera slum is the largest slum in Africa, spanning across 2 miles and packed with over 1 million people. Many people that wish to seek better lives actually find themselves living in this slum.
Approximately 150 years ago, this issue surfaced to the world with such a dramatic entrance that people haven't forgotten the consequences of it until today. People moved for the same reasons that immigration happens today. Cities offer better jobs that are supposed to make the lives of each person better, while some people also come to escape famines and wars that are present in their former countries. They hope that they will find better jobs with higher wages, leading them to better living conditions and lives. They hope to bring the rest of their family in the future after finding a decent and secure job.
Once the rapidly developing industries and businesses had skyrocketed, so did the cost of land. People that migrated to these cities with no money hoped to find better jobs, but they also needed a place for shelter. Since the land cost was so high and housing was so expensive, living in the Kibera slum provided a cheap.
Human treatment was ignored during the Industrial Revolution because of greed for our economic development. Yet improving technology and upgrading the newest phones are all fine, but when people are living under such harsh circumstances and are mistreated, shouldn't we be focusing on improving the lives of the less fortunate? All slums still have a possibility for improvement when we prioritize human development over economic development.